Ever wondered what makes billionaires so different? Is it just the money, or is there more to their success? Let's delve into the concept of billionaires. They're not just individuals lounging on piles of cash. No, they are people who've mastered certain skills, honed unique characteristics, and cultivated a mindset that has propelled them to their remarkable success. They've managed to turn ideas into empires, risks into rewards, and dreams into realities. It's not just about the wealth they've amassed, it's about the journey they've embarked on, the challenges they've overcome, and the legacy they're building. Billionaires are more than their bank accounts. They are visionaries, risk-takers, persisters, and decision-makers. They believe in themselves, adapt to change, understand finance, network like pros, manage their time effectively, and never stop learning. In this video, we will unveil the top 10 skills that billionaires possess. Pay close attention, you might just find the key to unlock your own success. Welcome to money, my friend. Skill 1, vision. Billionaires see what others don't. Consider Jeff Bezos, who envisioned an online marketplace long before the internet was commonplace. Or Elon Musk, who dreams of colonizing Mars. These aren't mere daydreams, but clear, actionable visions. They serve as guiding North Stars, shaping decisions and driving relentless progress. Vision is not about predicting the future, but creating it. It's about seeing possibilities where others see limitations. Remember, a clear vision can set you on the path to success. Skill 2, risk-taking. Billionaires are not afraid to take calculated risks. They step outside comfort zones, venture into the unknown, and embrace uncertainty. Consider Elon Musk, who invested his own fortune into Tesla and SpaceX when both were on the verge of bankruptcy. Or Sarah Blakely, who poured her life savings into her idea, Spanx, now a billion-dollar company. These calculated risks weren't reckless. They were based on knowledge, intuition, and belief. Risk-taking can open doors to opportunities you never knew existed. Skill 3, persistence. Billionaires don't give up at the first sign of adversity. They know that roadblocks are not dead ends, but detours to a better route. Take, for instance, Elon Musk. When SpaceX's first 3 launches failed, he didn't throw in the towel. Instead, he persisted, and the 4th launch was a game-changer. Persistence isn't just about stubbornly clinging to an idea, it's about having the grit to weather the storm and the resilience to bounce back. Persistence can turn failures into stepping stones for success. Skill 4, decision-making. Billionaires make decisions quickly and stand by them. This pivotal skill is a cornerstone of their success. Consider Jeff Bezos, who decided to leave a comfortable job and start Amazon, or Elon Musk, who invested his own fortune into Tesla and SpaceX. These weren't just decisions, they were decisive, swift actions that transformed industries. Remember, the world doesn't wait. It's your decisions, not your conditions, that shape your destiny. Good decision-making skills can be the difference between success and failure. Skill 5, self-belief. Billionaires have an unwavering belief in themselves. This isn't about arrogance, it's about confidence. Confidence in their ideas, their decisions, their paths. Take Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. She was rejected by countless manufacturers, but her self-belief never wavered. She knew her product was revolutionary, and that belief propelled her to become the youngest self-made female billionaire. It's the unwavering self-belief that keeps the flame of innovation burning. Believing in yourself can make you unstoppable. Skill 6, adaptability. Billionaires adapt quickly to changes. Adaptability is the ability to pivot in response to new situations, a trait vital to success. Think about Elon Musk, shifting from online payments with PayPal to space exploration with SpaceX. Or consider Richard Branson, who moved from music to airlines, then to space travel. These billionaires demonstrate how adaptability can turn challenges into opportunities. Remember, change is inevitable, but how we respond to it makes all the difference. Adaptability can help you navigate through the ever-changing landscape of success. Skill 7, financial literacy. Billionaires understand money and how to make it work for them. The art of managing wealth is a key skill that sets billionaires apart. They comprehend concepts like investing, budgeting, and financial planning. For instance, Warren Buffett, one of the world's wealthiest individuals, started investing at a young age and is known for his keen understanding of financial markets. So, develop a strong grasp of financial literacy. Financial literacy can set you on the path to financial freedom. Skill 8, networking. Billionaires understand the power of connections. It's like a hidden superpower that fuels their success. Think of Richard Branson. His knack for cultivating relationships has helped him gain valuable insights and opportunities. In essence, billionaires don't just build wealth, they build networks. They foster relationships that transcend the transactional and delve into the transformational. They're always a conversation away from their next big idea or venture. Networking can open doors to opportunities you never knew existed. Skill 9. Time management. Billionaires understand that time is the most valuable asset. The secret to their success? They masterfully allocate their hours, ensuring each minute is spent productively. Take Elon Musk, for instance. He famously divides his week into 5-minute slots to maximize efficiency. Similarly, Bill Gates meticulously plans his day, right down to the minute. This level of precision allows them to focus on what truly matters. Remember, it's not about having time, it's about making time. Time management can help you make the most of your day. Scene script. Skill 10. Constant learning. Billionaires understand that learning never stops. It's a perpetual quest for knowledge that fuels their success. Take Bill Gates, for instance. His voracious reading habit keeps him updated and informed, thereby influencing his decision-making. Similarly, Elon Musk's deep dive into rocket science led to the birth of SpaceX. These examples highlight the power of constant learning. It's not just about acquiring new skills, but also about refining the existing ones. Constant learning can keep you ahead of the curve. So there you have it, the top 10 skills that billionaires possess. From vision to constant learning, these are the traits that set apart the titans of industry. The ability to see beyond the horizon, to take calculated risks, and to persist even when the going gets tough. The knack for making quick, informed decisions and the unshakable belief in oneself. Then there's the adaptability to change, the understanding of financial matters, and the skill to build and maintain valuable networks. Not to forget, the mastery of time management and the continuous pursuit of knowledge. Each skill is vital in its own right, but together, they form a potent mix that fuels success. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about the skills and characteristics that make you a success. So start developing these skills today, and who knows, you might just become the next billionaire.